Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it hot. Me hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Why today, guys? My car break down. The engine mash up. You understand me? So my lovely sweet husband is going to buy me a car today. So me and Papa Harry is going to the dealership to go get myself a new car. So guys, just follow me into this video and let me show you my new car where you might buy me. But I buy no other car except a CRV because I love my CRV, guys. So guys, before we get any further into the video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me in this journey to see what Papa Harry is gonna do for me. Alright, guys?
Yo, people, you don't know. Mama Joan, you're a good girl. Right now, we have vehicle, CRV, from 07. I will buy it new because she claims that she can't buy it all.
I do not like used car because used car is a problem. It give you heartache, belly ache, back ache, it make you shit you run your belly. That's where a used car do for you. So you see me get the experience there with the one whole Dodge Ram buy. So I say never in my life me I go buy no more used car. People can buy used car and get good used car, but our experience wasn't good. So for me is a new car girl. My old CRV broke down. The engine dead. Papa Harry kill it.
My girl drive all the thing. Kill it, dead. That's all it couldn't even move from here so to this.
Papa Harry kill it and
so
then
just go up under and now come over like a bridge. Up under me and him go when they just come back here.
Anyway, we are going to go to Upper Honda and then I'm going to buy me a brand new car. Not brand new second hand, you know.
No,
a new brand. You know, new brand from back home Jamaica, we have new brand. And one of them new brand them are going to buy me. Okay? So guys, follow me into me new brand car. And we are going to see what it's like. Where is it, my papa?
It's too expensive. I'm not supposed to buy a $20 car. She said, no, you're crazy. 20,000 she tell me about.
No.
But it's okay, she deserves it. Mama Joan, and there's only one Mama Joan. And you can't find nobody or nothing like Mama Joan. So you see, she now, she entitled to anything and everything in the whole world. So I give her a new CRV. Talk.
Kiss me with something. Okay, so guys, come with me, and that's it. So guys, now we reach at the car dealership. So there was so much money Papa Harry have in our bank account, you know. So we're gonna go get this car now. Why are you looking at me like that?
You know, I see my bank account.
I'm not.
You just go buy the car.
Okay.
But you want to know how much in your account.
Alright.
You know how much in your account?
You don't need to know that. What is mine, and what is yours is for me and you.
People say I tell you one Mama Joan, only she wanting so. What do you mean low? The black one is you must see the one of them.
I want some power wheel, you know.
But you know want the last vehicle. Power wheel you put on the vehicle. No, not
them kind of power wheel. I want the power wheel where come where we can get upgrade and get power wheel for the car. You know them where them big
when
wheel.
When you buy you can't want. Me buy no, you don't
so
want.
So you can't pick on the one?
No, you take where you get.
Okay, that's being not nice.
Because nice people don't make no more. You're devilish people.
I figure that I'm gonna go get something. So if I want big wheel, because I get big wheel, you know.
You're getting the basic, anything to it. Let
me tell you guys, I want big wheel, I want camera, I want fully equipped with everything. Top of the line, I want when we go near a car, go beep. When we are back up, it go beep. You know, like top of the line, I want everything. I want it fully loaded.
Yes, but you have to pay for the extras.
No.
Any upgrading different from the basic?
Yes, thank you.
family. Guys, it's my brother and I telling about me now for years. First man this me know when we just come to Canada. He used to carry me around, but I never under civics. And the first prelude.
Prelude?
Yes, under prelude. So it's not under from Minwest. Under one.
No, I know, but me know you was going to school.
Yeah, that's
so,
right.
So me know you go to school.
But I bought my car when I was in college.
College. Okay. Alright. So this is the man we are going to leave with care. And that's it. Well,
Yeah.
what in?
Yes.
You know me already, I don't want to kill you. You want to charge me no murder today? Alright. Your friend won't kill you, but you know me will.
Yeah.
Okay?
Always.
Alright.
You want to deadly, you know. What would I was telling you, say, you know, say, man is smarter than a woman smarter than a man.
You're a good man, because you know that. You're a good man, you know that.
Proactive. And let's fill out this application here. Okay. Well, you can fill up for me, use as a sign. As long as you agree to the information, then we're all good.
So, Papa Harry, I follow the paper right now. Let me get the car so you know me. So now me know it had done deal. Because I fill out the application. You know, so we're good to go. You know. So I didn't have to worry about whether I can do it or not, you know. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I want to kiss this man, but I'm not kissing him until I go behind the wheel. I go behind the wheel and I drive the car. Although we know it's guaranteed. You understand? But guys, I'm gonna feel so good when I go. No, them say them have 3 colors: black, white, or grey. Give me a go white. I don't want no black. I see your car have a 3 black mark stricken on your car front. Who mark your car? So I don't want no black. So is it a white car? I go back to silver.
White gets dirty a lot.
What? If we start clean it now. Then we wash the car. Then we keep it clean. Now with the silver you can't see the dirt. But it's been silver for so long.
Black is the best.
Yeah,
It's not the best, Reef.
No.
No?
I bought my first black car, you know. The first car was black. I never buy a black car again.
Wow.
The minute the rain falls, if it's Jamaica, it's nice. Because Jamaica, you wash your car like you're brushing your teeth. Every morning you get up, you wash your car before you go on the road. Right? Every morning, yeah. But you see Canada, when it's cold outside, and you don't know it's time to get through the winter.
Yeah.
What's going to happen in the winter, right?
What I was just saying is a white car depends on the silver.
Yeah, the white you got to really, you know your stuff.
Yeah.
The white and silver, you got to, especially the white car, you got to technically walk up to it to see the dirt.
Yes.
You can't see the dirt from afar,
Yes.
from a distance.
So is it, and because I done silver for so many years,
Yeah.
what is the same color silver?
Yeah.
Is it the same color
No,
silver?
that's like a blue silver, yeah.
The one is blue is silver.
Yeah, but like a bluish silver.
Yeah.
But but that's not real silver, but the blue silver. But they have, because they all have different like fine names for them. There's a metallic whatever,
So the
metallic
one,
black, crystal black.
12.
12.
So
Yes.
the one that you have here, is
Yes.
it the same silver like the one that I have?
No, it's gonna be
Is that different silver?
Yes, it's different silver.
Okay, so if it's a different silver, then we will work with that.
Maybe. Just
Maybe
get the white
just
one
go-
and done.
Just get the white one and done it.
Or he's gonna show you.
October.
Okay. Yeah, because we've been doing silver for 17, 18 years now.
Blue
I'm
silver, blue
silver
silver.
for 18 years. So I want to change to a white, you know. So what do you think? Chad have a white car, Patty Lamel have a white car. Joseph have a white car, you know.
I have a white car and a black
And
car,
a
you know what I'm
black
saying?
car.
I'm here, y'all. I'm behind the camera, supporting my mom, my dad, surprising her with a new car because her car broke down. I told you, man, I aspire to be like my parents. Love is real. You gotta give him more than just a kiss, though.
Love is very. I'm not get more than a kiss. I'm not get. Go away.
Hey, she said you're gonna get more than just a kiss.
It's just a kiss.
For me?
It's just a small thing.
So they asked me
He's so that boy of mine, he had such a dirty, smutty mind. Smutty mind that boy have. Dirty mind. That boy is a dirty mind boy.
I'm blood.
Don't give him daddy kisses. If I tell him, so we need to give more than a kiss. We don't need to give more than a kiss. A kiss is just fine.
Uncle kiss.
Yeah.
Okay. This is it right here. Something like this. It's like this.
Them look good, same. I'm a leather, but
25. It's a big difference from 207. Oh, you put a lot of kilometers in that 207. It's like, well, it's half a million on that car. You know what I mean? That's the door. This is what I want. What kilometers on 500,000?
So guys, see, this is my old car. I'm gonna miss Elizabeth so much, but she do her time, so she get expired. I'm putting her to sleep, putting her to rest, you know. So it is what it is. So that's it. So we have some stuff in here. So guys, I'm back home now. And I did get my car, but the only thing is that we're gonna pick it up on Tuesday. So we're gonna do all the getting all of the paperwork together and everything. So Tuesday we are gonna go pick it up because that's when it's gonna be ready. So I will be back at you on Tuesday to show you guys my new car. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I love this man so much. Not for just the car, but you know. Oh my God.
Become more upon it, you know?
I'm not weird, I call it. I can't remember the word now. Sometimes it's kicking every fucking time, sometimes it's kicking. I can't remember what we need to say. But whichever way, guys, I will be back at you at Tuesday when I went to pick up my brand new CRV from my honey. As we say, guys, now give me a chops. Give me a chops today. I'll give you a chops. Okay. So, back at you on Tuesday.
This is it. But Mama Jonah, brand new Honda Civic, because the next one fade out. So I buy a little bow, and I'm just gonna put it on it just to make it look pretty and bossy. So I'm gonna put the bow on the engine here, and then I'm gonna call Mama Joan and introduce her to her new CRV that I just bought a while ago. It's not even 24, it's 25. We show you how she is loved. Mama Joan? Where's Mama Joan?
Oh my gosh!
Thank you. Mama Joan, I am presenting you this new car. Yes. CRV. You see her face?
Oh, honey, you buy it. You put all a bow up on it.
Oh, you mean on it?
This is my gift.
This is your gift. And it cost me a pretty little change, but you're worth every cent and more.
Okay, so thank you very much, honey, because you know what? Elizabeth did her time, and it's about time.
That is true.
You know, I am so sad that I have to give up Elizabeth, but
you know,
I got this one. I don't even know what I'm gonna name her because she's a new brand or a brand new.
No,
so because she's brand new,
Elizabeth Junior.
Yes, this is gonna be Elizabeth Junior.
Yes, because the younger version.
Yes.
And the old one.
Okay.
Okay.
So, honey, thank you very much for my new.
You're so welcome, and you
CRV.
deserve it. It's a problem. It's a pity I couldn't buy a Porsche or a Lamborghini, but in a way, retirement days, I'm gonna get you a Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini?
Yes.
You know that not gonna work for me.
Well, that's what we say.
It's too low. Yes.
Oh, yes,
you're
you're
too low.
right,
I don't
you're
like
right,
the
you're
low
right.
business. The CRV was just
You're
fine.
like, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get you a new model.
Oh, you know
CRV.
what you could buy me still to be the real
Oh,
retirement
the Range
guy?
Rover.
No, I don't want the Range
You don't
Rover
want the
because
Range Rover?
them say don't
They're
good.
not good.
I want the Benz, the
Okay.
G-Wagon.
Yes, you were saying about the Benz.
Yes, I like
So
the G-Wagon, so you can buy me one of
when
that
you're, when
later
you're
on.
retired, I'm getting her the G-Wagon. You know? So, guys, that's it. And me and Mama Joan now going drive home now in our new brand CRV 2025. And I'm not 25 yet, you know. So you must know how bossy she is.